Given a set of numbers as follows, which is our number of observation, x, as written, x, our x is 20, 10, 18, 23, 25, 19, 22, 12, 34, 15, 11, 14, 23, 20, 11. So these are the set of numbers given, which is our x. We are going to sum them up to find the total. The total is going to be summation x equal to, when you sum it, we are going to find 277. That's the total of our x. The next thing we are going to find is the square of each observation, which is our x. We are going to square each one of them. So for 20, the square is 400. For 10, the square is 100. 18, 3, 2, 4. 23, 5, 2, 9. 25, 6, 2, 5. 19, 3, 6, 1. 22, 4, 8, 4. 12, 1, 4, 4. 34, 1, 1, 5, 6. 15, 2, 2, 5. 11, 1, 2, 1. 14, 1, 9, 6. And 23, 5, 2, 9. 20, 400. And then 11, 1, 2, 1. So this is the square of each of our observation. So for the square, we are going to sum it up as well. So we are going to find the summation x squared, which is equal to, the summation of our x squared is equal to 5,715. That's the summation of our x squared. Alright, don't forget the summation of our x is 277, and then the number of our observation is n equal to 15, as we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our observation is 15, and then we proceed to our next procedures to find the coefficient of variation. So first of all, we are going to start by finding the mean of the observation, and the mean is given as follows. Arithmetic mean is equal to summation of x all over n, and our summation of x is given as 277, and our n is 15. So our mean is equal to 18.47. That's our mean. That's our mean. 18.247. Then from there we proceed to the next step, which is finding the n mean square. N mean square, which means multiplying our n by the mean and then the square of the mean. So which is equal to, our n mean square is equal to 5117.1. That's our n mean square. The next step is we are going to summation x squared minus our n mean square that we got by multiplying the n by the mean, the square of the mean. So that's our next step. So we are going to, our summation x has been given, summation x squared, which is 5715. That's our summation x squared. We have it here, summation x squared. 5715 is our summation x squared minus our n mean squared. And our n mean squared has been given here, which is 5117.1. 5117.1. So we got this as our answer, 597.9. So this is our answer. The next thing we are going to do is to find the variance. The variance is given as this. S is equals to summation x squared minus n mean squared all over n minus 1. This is the formula for finding our variance. And if you could remember, we already have the upper part of our solution, which is of our formula, which is summation x squared minus n mean squared. It has already been given, and we know the number of our observation is 15. So the upper part has been given and the lower part has been given too. So we are going to get, we write 597.9 all over our n minus 1 is 14. So our variance is going to be 42.71. This is our variance. Okay, our variance is 42.71. Now the next step to go is to find the standard deviation. And the standard deviation is the square root of our variance. The standard deviation is given as this. SD is equal to the root of variance, which is equal to 42.71 root, which is equal to 6.54. This is our standard deviation. Now, to find the coefficient of variation, we are going to say the formula is CV is equal to standard deviation all over mean. That's the formula, times 100. So to find the coefficient of our variation, we'll write down our standard deviation, which is 6.54, all over our mean, which is 18.47. And the answer, our final answer is 35%. This is the final answer to our solution. So we have come to the end of today's episode. We have found our coefficient of variation. In case of any observation or questions, you can drop it at the comment section below. Until we meet in our next class, when I'm going to show you another method of finding the coefficient of variation. Thank you for watching, and God bless.